welcome to Germ's Workshop. Got Elliot here with me today helping me.
Hi.
I got a call from my mom this morning that said she had water in her basement, so we're going to go check that out. See you in a minute. Alright, so we found the problem. This frost-free valve, or this water spigot, whatever you want to call it, it burst, and the culprit was that the garden hose was still hooked up over the winter time, and as it froze, the water expanded and froze, and it burst the copper. So we went to the local parts house here in town, and we got a new one with a PEX adapter on it, and we're gonna hook that back up to the PEX, and everything should be fine. Okay, Elliot left, so we've got Declan here now helping us, and we've got our new spigot on there, and oh, hold it in there tight, buddy. And we're got our new PEX collar on there. Don't push too far, okay? And we're gonna crimp it with the pliers. So I'm turn this off for a second because I can't do that with one hand.
Can I do the pliers thing?
No, it takes a lot of muscles, bud. Okay, so I think we're set up here. Can you put your other hand here and make sure you keep pressure pushing that way?
So both on each side pushing each other's way.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna put that on there. And then I squeeze really hard. Yeah. Now, can you pull it apart? Nope, it's on there good. All right, so now we'll shove it back in the wall, and we'll put our screws back on there. Oh, hold on. It's okay. We can put that on now or later.
I think it would be better later.
Okay, where's those screws?
Oh yeah.
Okay, one at a time. Here, just hand it to me, please. Okay. And the other one. Okay, now it's back on, and we'll go in and turn the water back on, and we should have it working again.
And it's also very hard and stiffened.
Alright, so now we've got our faucet back in there, and we're going to leak check it. And we'll come over here, turn on the valve, the PEX manifold. No leaks. Good to go. That's it for today in Germ's Workshop. And as always, we'll see you next time. Remember, 10 in, 10 out.